Many beginners waste months applying for online jobs that never respond. In this video, you'll learn realistic online jobs beginners can start even with no experience. Welcome to Dollar Path Academy. Today, we're diving into a topic so many of you have asked about: how to land a remote customer support job that's email and chat only. Yes, you heard that right, no phone calls. If you dream of working from home but the thought of being on the phone all day makes you nervous, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything from what these jobs actually are, what skills you need, where to find them, and how to apply even if you have zero experience. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly are email and chat support jobs? It's pretty straightforward. Instead of talking to customers on the phone, you're helping them by writing emails or chatting with them live through a website or an app. It's all text-based. This is perfect for introverts or anyone who just prefers to communicate through writing. Companies need people like you to answer questions, solve problems, and guide users, making sure they have a great experience. Your main goal is to keep customers happy and loyal, all from the comfort of your keyboard. So, what does a typical day look like? Imagine you log in, open up your company's support software, and you'll see a queue of customer messages. These could be emails or incoming chat requests. Your job is to go through them one by one. You might be answering a question about a product feature, helping someone track their order, or troubleshooting a technical issue they're facing. You'll be looking up information in the company's knowledge base, communicating with other team members to get answers, and writing clear, helpful replies to customers. It's a mix of problem solving, writing, and a bit of detective work. Now, you might be thinking, what skills do I need for this? And you'll be happy to hear that the barrier to entry is quite low. The two most important skills are basic English proficiency and decent typing speed. You need to be able to write clear, grammatically correct sentences so that customers can understand you easily. You don't need to be a literary genius, just clear and professional. As for typing, the faster you can type, the more customers you can help, which makes you more efficient. If you can type at least 40 words per minute, you're in a good spot. You can find plenty of free online tests to check your speed and practice. Other than that, being patient, empathetic, and a good problem solver will make you a star agent. Let's talk about the tools of the trade. You won't be using your personal Gmail for this. Companies use specialized software called help desks to manage all customer conversations. Some of the biggest names you'll see are Zendesk, Freshdesk, and HubSpot. These platforms organize emails and chats into tickets, which makes it easy to track each customer's issue from start to finish. You don't need to be an expert in these before you apply. Most companies know that beginners won't have experience with them and will provide full training. But it's a huge bonus if you mention in your application that you are aware of these tools. It shows you've done your homework. You can even watch some quick YouTube tutorials on how they work to get a basic understanding. Alright, the million-dollar question: where do you find these jobs? There are two main places to look: traditional job boards and freelance platforms. For full-time or part-time employment, check out job boards that specialize in remote work. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and even LinkedIn are fantastic resources. Just use keywords like remote customer support, chat agent, or email support in your search. Make sure to filter by remote or work from home. You'll find hundreds of companies, from small startups to huge corporations, hiring for these roles. The other amazing place to find work, especially if you're a beginner, is on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These sites are gold mines for entry-level support gigs. Companies often post short-term projects or ongoing part-time roles here. This is a great way to get your foot in the door, build experience, and create a portfolio of work. The competition can be high, but we're about to cover how you can stand out even as a complete newbie. So, you're on a freelance platform, ready to find a gig. What's next? You need to create a simple, effective profile. Your profile is your storefront, so make it look good. Use a clear, professional-looking photo of yourself smiling. For your title, be specific. Instead of just customer support, try something like friendly and efficient email and chat support specialist. In your profile summary, highlight your key skills. Talk about your strong writing ability, your typing speed, and your passion for helping people. Even if you don't have direct support experience, you can mention skills from other jobs like communication, problem-solving, or attention to detail. Keep it short, positive, and focused on how you can help a client's business. Now, how do you apply for these jobs with no experience? This is where many people get stuck, but it's easier than you think. The key is to focus on what you can do, not what you can't. Your application, or what's called a proposal on sites like Upwork, needs to be tailored to the job post. Don't send the same generic message to everyone. Read the job description carefully and mirror their language. If they say they need someone detail-oriented, use that exact phrase in your proposal and give an example. Here's a simple template for a beginner-friendly proposal. Start with a friendly greeting that addresses the client by name if possible. The first sentence should immediately show that you've read their post. For example, "Hi there, I saw you're looking for a chat support agent to help with your e-commerce store, and I would love to help." Then, connect your skills to their needs. You could say, "While I'm new to formal customer support, I'm a fast learner, a quick typist at 60 words per minute, and I genuinely enjoy helping people solve problems. I'm confident I can quickly learn your systems and provide excellent service to your customers." You can also offer to do a short, paid trial task to prove your abilities. This shows confidence and reduces the risk for the client. End with a clear call to action, like "I'm available to chat more about this role anytime this week. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's talk money." How much can you expect to earn as a beginner? This can vary a lot depending on whether you're a freelancer or a full-time employee and where the company is based. On freelance platforms like Upwork, beginners often start somewhere between $5 to $15 per hour. As you gain experience and get good reviews, you can quickly raise your rates to $20 an hour or even more. For full-time salaried positions, entry-level remote support roles in the U.S. might start around $30,000 to $45,000 a year. The key is to get that first job, do amazing work, and then leverage that experience to secure higher-paying roles. Finally, a very important topic: how to avoid scams. The remote job world is amazing, but unfortunately, there are some bad actors out there. Here are some major red flags to watch out for. First, if a job posting seems too good to be true, like offering an extremely high salary for a very simple task with no experience required, it probably is. Second, never pay for a job. Legitimate companies will never ask you to pay for training, software, or a background check. Third, be wary of anyone who asks for your personal banking information or social security number before you've signed a formal contract. And fourth, if the recruiter communicates in a very unprofessional way with lots of grammar mistakes or pressures you to make a quick decision, be cautious. Always trust your gut. Stick to reputable job boards and freelance platforms as they have systems in place to protect you. And that's the complete roadmap to landing a remote email and chat support job. It's a fantastic career path with a low barrier to entry that offers incredible flexibility. Start by polishing your typing skills, create a killer profile, and start sending out those custom-tailored applications. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips on remote work and making money online. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.